Hi you guys, good to see you. Today we're going to be doing our SIPPS lesson number 11. Most of you have done this lesson before, but I thought we could just back up a little bit, make sure we know some of those things that we might have forgotten in the last couple of weeks, and then we'll just keep moving forward. So I'm going to read you this sentence. This says, do you have a phone? The word phone has our new sound in it. PH says F, and that's going to be our new sound that we're going to be working on today. So here's our card. Do you have a phone? Examples are phone and elephant. They're both spelled with a PH, but the PH makes an F sound. So the sound F can be spelled in two different ways. One with just the F, and then the other second way is with the PH. So for example, on our chart, if you guys were at school, we'd have this on the wall. This is the F and the PH. They both say F. So one last time. Sound. F. Nice job. Okay, quick review. We've learned these before. This sound says ch, like a choo-choo train. Ch. Spell CH. Sound ch. Good job. So does your chin itch? The second sound that also makes a ch is TCH. TCH is going to come at the end of the word. That's what this is telling us. Ready? Sound ch. Good. Sound ch. And last time, our new one, sound f. Spell PH. Sound f. Great. Nice work. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to move on to reading our list of words. I'm going to have you think about the sounds that we were just practicing. So for example, our first word, go ahead and peek at it. This sound, PH, remember we just learned it says f. So when we get to the end, it's going to say f. Ready? Read. Graph. Perfect. Read. Chip. Good. Remember the TH, we've learned that? That says th. Read. Bath. Good. Read. Hush. Good. I noticed there's a TCH. Remember, we just remembered that TCH says ch. Ready? Read. Which. Perfect. Okay. These are syllables, so they kind of don't make sense, but remember we're learning how to break words apart. So we want to look at this and read the sounds. Let's go back and remember that SH, we've learned this, it says sh. Good. Ready, read. Mish. Good. Read. Shall. Good. Read. Oh, here's our new sound, PH. Sound says f. Good. Read. On. Good. Read. Weth. Last one. Read. Atch. Perfect. Nice job on those sounds. Okay. The next thing we're going to do, this is kind of my favorite. We are going to be doing our transformations and syllables. Okay, so ready? I'm going to write a word down, and I want you to be thinking about where the vowel is. We've learned that if a vowel is at the end of a syllable, the vowel will be long. If the vowel's not at the end, meaning in the middle or in the beginning, it's going to have a short sound, okay? So you just have to make your brain go back and forth. It's like gymnastics. Okay, ready? Here's our first one. Read. Taff. Good. Vowels at the end. It's going to be long. Ready? Read. Tay. Excellent. Read. Af. Good. Vowels at the beginning, so it's short. Let's do another one. Vowel at the end is long. Read. Mew. Good. Read. Ut. Perfect. Read. Mutt. Excellent. We're going to do one more. Read. Ip. Good. Read. Nigh. If you said n, you're forgetting. Remember, vowels at the end. Okay, vowels in the middle. It'll be short. Ready? Read. Nip. Perfect. All right, nice job. We're going to move on to learning something a little bit new for us, okay? So let's go ahead and get our words. So I want you to think about this. We're going to be working on vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel words and learning where we need to be dividing those words in order to help us with our reading and our syllables. So by being able to chunk those words into syllables, then we'll be able to read a little bit easier. So I want to show you, we're going to read these words and I'm going to show you where the syllable break is, and we're going to see if we can start noticing a pattern on these words. Okay, so our first word, after. We're going to go ahead and break our syllable into two, after. And I notice, I'm going to just write it here, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Okay, let's do the next one, lesson. We're going to break this in between the two S's, and I'm noticing vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Are you guys starting to see a pattern? I am. Subtract. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Notice where I put my dot. Okay, so if you guys are noticing that this pattern, that you break a syllable between, you see a vowel and a consonant. If there's a second consonant, you're going to break it, and that's where you're going to be able to divide that. Okay, so let's start to do these ones down here on your own. So where do you guys think we should put that break? I'm going to just label vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel on this first one. Okay. If you think we should put our vowel, or I'm sorry, our syllable break here, you're right. Basket. Good. How about this one? Hammer. Between the two M's. Perfect. Okay, and then our last one is plastic. I noticed that there's a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We're going to go ahead and divide it between the S and the T. Plastic. Okay, it's a little bit of new learning, but I think it's going to be super helpful in your reading. So when you start to see those big words, you can start to chunk them apart, okay? And know that you can divide between those, the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, okay? Let's go ahead and look at our new syllables that we're learning, okay? Here are our sight syllables. So I want you guys to be able to read these or see these in your reading and be able to go, oh, right away, just like we know how to read the word the. This is just going to be some syllables that you'll know right away. These are just our sight syllables, okay? So this one is first. This is typically a prefix. When this is at the end of our syllable, it tells us there's going to be something that follows this. So this will be in our beginning. It's a prefix of a word. It's D. So like decide or de-ice. Okay, ready? Read. D. Spell. D-E. Read. D. Perfect. Okay, here's our next one. Scan. Okay, this one is like for scanner. Ready? Read. Scan. Excellent. Okay, when the red line is underneath, it means this is an irregular sight syllable. You cannot sound this one out, so you have to know this one just by heart, okay? Or by heart. So ready? Read. Auto. Read. Auto. This is like automatic or an autobiography. Its definition is self. So when you see this, you know it's like a self. An autobiography is a biography about someone's self, themselves, okay? Read. Auto. Definition, self. Perfect. Nice work. Okay, here's our next one. Ac. So spell AC, ac. Okay, this would be like for accept or accident. Okay, nice. All right, another irregular. Remember, when the red line is underneath, it's telling us that we need to know that one by heart. This is shun. Ready? sound, shun. T-I-O-N, shun. This is what we call a suffix. Do you notice this line is saying this is going to go toward the end or at the end of a word? Okay, ready, read, shun. Good. Let's review real quick. Read, D. Read, scan. Irregular, read, auto. Definition, self. Read, act. Read, shun. Nice. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. Let's see what our next part is. You guys, we are doing such a good job. Okay, I'm going to get our board back out and we're going to do a couple words. I'm going to go ahead and write the first part of a syllable. I'm sorry, the first part of a word. I'm doing just a syllable. I want you to read. Trav. Second syllable. Ul. And read the whole word. Travel. Good. Nice work. Okay. Oh, these are the two syllables we just learned, so this is going to be good practice for us. Okay, read the first syllable. Ack. Read. Shun. Real word. Read. Action. Nice work. Okay, read. D. Read. Live. Remember, vowel in the middle, short. Vowel at the end is long. So we know it's D. Live. Sound. Okay. Real word. Deliver. Nice. Good work. Okay, we'll do one more. Let's do this one. Read. Mow. If you said ma, remember vowel at the end is long. So this is mow. This is what we've just learned. Read. Shun. Whole word. Motion. Nice job. All right. You guys did a really great job today. Remember, we were looking for that vowel pattern that helps us divide those syllables. So I hope we have that new learning. And we did a really great job on learning our new syllables. One last time. Exit ticket out. Ready, read. D. Read. Scan. Read. Auto. Definition. Self. Perfect. Read. Act. Read. Shun. We did it. All right. That was lesson number 11. We'll come up with another lesson tomorrow. Bye.